Welcome, last day in Barcelona. No, there was a Mercadona, banana, eggs and yogurts, protein yogurts. I'm showing this because I want to count myself to not buy cookies. For the first time I cannot fly my drone. Camp Nou cannot fly here. That's the famous Camp Nou, Barcelona, but it's under construction. Barcelona store. T-shirt 30 euro. It's not that bad. Lewandowski. 185 euro. 110 euro. Cool store. Robo Keeper. Some kind of Park Güell. I'm going to this place. So this is the Park Güell, but to go there you have to pay like 10 euro. Sagrada Familia at night, why not? Impressive. Lovely couple. This building. Last drone shots from Barcelona. Not bad. Gaudi battle. This food free and everyone sits together and eats. It's my new subscriber Rachel. Another subscriber.
Number 1 subscriber.
Play poker. Bye hostel. Time to go to the airport. It's around midnight. I spend amazing time in this hostel. Hostels are the best, especially this one. But the sad part is that probably never gonna see each other again, the most of people. Yeah, that's life. Now Porto, let's go Portugal. Just got a message that my hostel goes to club in 10 minutes. I'm gonna find a place to sleep and nap for a moment. I love empty airports. Ryanair is waiting for me. Spot that I slept 4 days ago, I think. Porto, 5 a.m. flight. Can you guess how much money I paid? Yeah, 15 euro. Welcome to Portugal. See you tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed Barcelona.